Thank you. We are raising money, so that's not true. So I am Joel Reed, and thank you for your interest in IAM Robotics. So predicting the future is always uncertain, but in the area of logistics, we know that some certain things are true. The ground is dramatically shifting today. And as it relates to automation, we know that companies are going to have to automate to be able to survive in this industry. We have growing demand. In the U.S. alone, the percentage of people who are shopping online has tripled in the last 10 years. It's now 15% of all retail purchases. And then e-commerce worldwide is a $5 trillion a year industry. But at the same time, we're seeing the diminishing of labor. The World Bank last year sounded the alarm on a global worker shortage. We have tens of millions of people that are retiring every year, and millennials simply just don't want to do this work any longer. But as consumers, our expectations are changing rapidly. As it was mentioned before this morning by Chris, we want a lot of options in what we're ordering. We want to personalize our products, and we want our stuff delivered to us tomorrow, or even today, or 30 minutes from now. And this is creating the need for new innovations. It was mentioned about moving towards urban centers. These are micro-fulfillment centers. They need to be smaller, they need to be closer, and they're going to have different configurations than typical distribution centers. So the future is possible. With IAM Robotics, we offer an affordable, flexible, and fully autonomous material handling robot. We're utilizing novel 3D computer vision and mobile processing techniques to autonomously navigate throughout a warehouse and identify specific objects. And then we leverage our expertise in robotics manipulation to be able to manipulate the world around us. But most importantly, we do this at human level performance, where we exceed human level. And this leads to cheaper and more flexible logistics fulfillment. So in the industry today, customers have really two extremes when it comes to automation. On one end, you have highly expensive, very inflexible automated storage and retrieval systems, or ASRS systems. And then there's on the other end, there's a new class of robots called automated mobile robots, or CARTs. And they offer slight productivity advantages to existing labor. But what happens when your labor is diminishing or disappearing? The root problem remains. So introducing the Swift Picking Module. It's a flexible ASRS that's intended for e-commerce fulfillment. The Swift Picking Module is a zone set up in a traditional warehouse environment where robots are doing all the work, picking 24/7. They're either doing individual piece picking or each picking for order fulfillment, or we have the ability to handle bins or totes of items to create a goods-to-person system. In any event, these items are brought over to a station for final order fulfillment. This is our robot at RDC. We've been operational for over a year, and we've handled tens of thousands of items. And we've proven the ability to not only pull bins from warehouse store shelves, but we can also put them back. And there's no company in the industry that's been able to demonstrate that on a commercial scale today. So we have a 1 to 2 year payback. One robot can replace up to 4 FTE, which can be redistributed for more useful work, and millions of dollars are saved. So we're fast, we're flexible, we're portable, we're proven. We've been operating for over a year, and we have more projects coming, and we're affordable. So we're making automation available to a broader segment of the market. Some seem to think that what we're doing is bigger than Kiva. So thank you. I am Joel Reed. We are IAM Robotics, and we're your competitive advantage.